Well, as we go into the rest of your week, tomorrow it is finally Friday. We do have some more storms on tap tomorrow thanks to our tropical moisture, but overnight tonight will be pretty dry, pretty quiet, maybe a few little showers and that's it. 81 degrees right now, really beautiful over the French Quarter, looking great over our studio here on Rampart Street. Looking at the quarter, looking at downtown, the lights twinkling with the buildings and really not much going on. We can't complain about that. Calm winds, but it is really muggy and humid, and that's how it's going to stay. Of course, it is the end of July, last full week of July from now to next week. 1 week from tomorrow, August 1st already. A couple little sprinkles happening on the North Shore. We have one little shower over Lake Maurepas, but that's fizzling out. Some storms in the Mississippi Sound are drifting westward, so we'll have a little bit of rain moving into parts of St. Bernard Parish going into the next several minutes, but really not much happening overnight other than maybe some light showers. Temperatures will stay in the upper 70s and low 80s heading into tomorrow morning. Tomorrow is going to be very warm and humid with partly sunny skies, but we'll have some more passing storms on tap tomorrow. And it's all part of this moisture associated with this potential tropical disturbance, though it's not going to develop. It has maintained a low chance of tropical development, still 10% from the National Hurricane Center, and it's just going to keep drifting westward through the northern Gulf into tomorrow, and eventually it'll move inland by late tomorrow, Saturday into Texas. So no chance of tropical development, just lots of moisture to work with. That means the storms the next couple days can produce some heavy downpours, but still going to be hit or miss variety. So we're going to watch this weak low pressure head towards Texas going into tomorrow, bringing some rain in that direction, bringing us some spotty storms throughout the course of the day tomorrow and on Saturday. But going into later this weekend, high pressure will build back in, which means we're going to dry up and heat up on Sunday. It's going to be extremely hot with really no rain on Monday and Tuesday. But then we get into later next week, Wednesday, Thursday again, we'll probably see another batch of tropical moisture come around that high pressure in the northern Gulf and bring us some more tropical downpours probably again later next week. So pretty similar setup once again. We had it last week, we have it this week, we might do it again next week. It's pretty crazy, 3 weeks in a row, almost the same type of weather. Now we go into tomorrow, we'll have those scattered showers and storms during the day, probably starting in the morning and continuing off and on through the mid to late morning into the afternoon tomorrow. We'll watch for some steady and soaking downpours, some lightning within the thunderstorms tomorrow, maybe some gusty winds as well. Lots of dry breaks in between, but don't forget your umbrellas and your rain gear before you head out the door tomorrow. Saturday, we'll have some passing showers and storms at times. It's still going to be pretty spotty in nature on Saturday, but I think we'll keep that kind of wetter pattern with us at least the next 2 days. But Sunday is going to be probably completely dry. Maybe a stray shower on Sunday, and that's really about it. That's when the high pressure builds in. So Sunday looks to be pretty rain-free if you're thinking about your weekend plans. Flooding risk Friday and Saturday still is going to be low, a level 1 out of 4 marginal risk, so it's going to be an isolated thing that we'll have to watch for the next 2 days. Not a huge problem for everybody, but maybe some isolated street flooding tomorrow and on Saturday. Anywhere from 1 to 2+ inches of rain are expected within the next 2 days, but some spots may get a little bit more than that thanks to the tropical downpours. Like I mentioned, though, the high pressure is going to build in later this weekend, sticks around through early next week. We're talking potentially record-breaking heat for us Monday and Tuesday of next week. Our actual temperatures will get to the upper 90s, near 100 degrees, so it's going to be scorching hot with little rain around. And then later in the week, we'll be watching for some heavy rain once again.